What is going on, family? Cribs here. Hey, thanks for coming back and chilling with me. Grab your coffee. I've got an unboxing, first impressions of some stank I got here for you, and then I got some coffee I want to show you. So, I went through that fast, and that is so good. The coffee. I almost said stinky, but it's sticky bun. You know Swag loves a stank, but he also loves his sticky buns. Oh, amazing. That's what I'm using today. Ground up my whole bean coffee and threw in that Italian creamer on top of it. Epic. The next one I got that I haven't tried yet that is coming is Cocomoa. It's supposed to be like the Samoa Girl Scout cookies with a coconut in it. I'm going to mix that with my Almond Joy creamer. You know that sounds good. So let's chill. We'll get into this unboxing for a minute, but let me say hello to the people that are just here maybe for the first time. My name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the beard community. I have an Instagram channel that is _BeardSWAG_. This is a channel where we talk about beard products, we talk about coffees, we talk about things to do with reviews, things that's going on in the community, combs, hats. You can see all the lids I got around here. Anything that's swag related of a beard community, which is something we all get, is what swag means. And then I'll have a few reviews of every EDC stuff, belts, holsters. Not very often because this is mainly a beard channel, but I like to throw in some stuff every now and then just to change it up, which I got one coming soon. So if you're into love and support and community and positivity, Jesus Christ, this is for you. Welcome. If you would, go down below if you're interested in that and go ahead and hit the subscribe. There's a reminder bell, a share button. Sometime during the video, if you like the content, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. And then leave a comment, family. Always leave a comment. I love to get back. I love to see what you got to say. Tell me a story. Tell me what you're going through. Tell me the coffees that you had. If you've tried this stuff, if you've tried the products, if you have ideas for me to do new reviews on, I watch, I listen, and I see them all, and I get back to every single one of you. So thank you. Thank you for being here. Today, I had to basically go through and open everything up because it's just garbage that I had to go through, and I was in it already 6-7 minutes by the time I got to it. But I got there, and I haven't got into any of this stinky stink yet and give you my first impressions. I want you to see it. But that's of a company, JOFM, Jolly Old Fatman. There are a ton of reviews out. It was flooded there for a while by all the reviewers. I guess dressing up as Santa Claus, you know what I'm talking about, the show. And this is not going to be anything like that. Cribs ain't going to put on no Santa Claus hat or reindeer hats and tell you about the products. I'm just going to get into a rip and tear of the product so you can get my first impression. I'm going to put the swag seal of approval on it and tell you what I think and just get down to the nest. No frills, no thrills, no bells, no whistles. We're just going to sit here and spend some time together talking about it. And then I'll review it. I'll test it out and then do a review probably on Wednesday. I should have probably filled up before I sat down, but that's okay. I got some stuff here to keep me busy. So anyways, I got through. But what I really enjoyed, we talk about memories of these scent profiles, that they'll bring back memories of your childhood or things in the past or just good memories. What I found out, I usually call this stuff garbage because it just gets in the way. I don't really mind it. It's just something that it gets in my way and I don't like them, but it's necessary. Garbage. But what this has done, with the way Balm wrapped these up and the box of stuff that's sitting in here, you can see it's like wrapping paper. It is wrapping paper. It reminded me and took me back to a time when Cassie and Daniel, my two children, were young, and we would sit around as a family on Christmas morning, and they would just rip and tear into these packages. And then we would sit down at the end of it, and, you know, I would just sit there and watch them enjoy and I'm getting emotional over this because I love my children. I would just love sitting there as a family and just see the enjoyment and the cleanup after it's all done, with all the wrapping paper and the plastic stuff sitting around from them opening up their toys and their goodies, and just being a family and loving on each other. Thank you, Bam, for that. I mean, it really took me back to a spot. So thank you for that. Now we're going to move on so I don't start bawling. But you know what? Truth and transparency. I don't care. Great memory. If I could go back, but you can't. So anyways, I notice now a change in his packaging from the first time. And this is what I was saying before on my first video, because I recorded and then I got to a place to where I just knew this was going to be too long of a video and I wanted to get down, but this may be long too because I'm rambling. It says, thank you so much for the order. Things have changed just a bit from the first time you've received my stuff. Hope you enjoy all the new sets. And he says, maybe Misfits will change your mind on sandalwood. Stay jolly and bearded, Santa Bam. Thank you, Bam. And we shall see. So I purchased 3 oils and 3 balms from this man, and he sent me a complimentary one, which we'll go into. First one that I have been chomping at the bit to smell and get an impression on, and Bam has as well, due to the fact your boy Swag is known as kind of the oud ambassador. I guess you could say hashtag oudstank got started by me loving my oud. So let's go. Gosh, I'm excited for this. What? Oh, gosh, that smells good. Oh, I smell a fresh fruit. That is so different. It says, an island all by itself where some of the oddest things come together. Ingredients, and I think this is all in all of his oils, is meadow foam seed oil, apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, Shaolane oil, BTMS 50, and fragrance oil. Ooh, that's cloudy. That is some cloudy goodness right there. That is not at all what I expected, Bam. Oh, what the hell? What the heck is that? I gotta warm this up. Wow. Oh, okay, there you go. I can smell that oud. Oh, tropical oud wood. Honestly, I can't smell any of that sandalwood, maybe some sweetness. Oh, that is so good. It's not your oud, typical oud, but this is first impressions out the bottle, y'all. Let's move on. Amazing. I'll have to sit with that for a while. Review coming up on this stuff after I test it. Next one I bought was Krampus. Look at these labels too, y'all. Killer. Full coverage. Dropper tops. Krampus. Trying to make that nice list. Well, then this isn't for you. This evil dark scent is out to punish the naughty. Ooh. Boy. Whew, that oud. I can smell it now. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so nice. But it's out to punish the naughty. Whew, what is that? Amazing. Same ingredients in the oil. And this is of his Jolly Juice, y'all. Oh, man. My mouth is watering right now, family. Okay, Comet is the next one I bought. These themes. Oh, let me get my head out of there. Great labels. Handsome and easy. Handsome and easy going. Comet knows he is the one everyone wants to be. Women love him and men want to be him. He lives in the moment and doesn't care what other people think. Shake well. Well, we will shake well. Oh, okay. I'm picking up maybe some leather in this one. I don't know. I'm horrible at scent profiles. If it ain't tobacco and oud and I can't pick that up, that's awesome. Oh, that's a good scent. 3 out of 3, family. That's awesome. All right, and then the complimentary one I didn't buy that he sent me is Off Season, which looks to me like his barbershop. And I got to give a shout out to old Doug from the Bearded Outdoorsman. He really did a fantastic job of, and I'll have one of his videos linked at the very end, did a great job on getting me interested in this company again, because it fell under my radar for a long time. And him doing a month-long unboxing, testing, and review of these products really got me keyed back up. I guess you could say turned on to give Jolly Old Fatman a try again. I let it kind of calm down because there were a lot of reviewers out there doing reviews on his stuff, but Doug really got me keyed up wanting to do this stuff again. So it's been sitting under here for about a month. Excuse me. So thanks, Doug. Oh, that's nice. Sophisticated, rich, deep. Jolly Juice. Off season. When Santa's trip to the Hawaii ends and it's time for him to go incognito, drop some pounds, shorten the beard, and put on a suit, he is always watching in some form. Sorry, I'm not being able to read today. Whew. 4 out of 4. Man. Amazing. Now, where did I put his balms? Right here. One thing that I've already had before my first experience was the nice list from Balm. And he sent me some other samplers, and it blew my mind. Took me completely away what I thought the first impressions were of what this company was. Oh, man, that Misfit Toys I'm getting fruit out of it right off the beginning. Scent profile matches, though, the oil. Yeah, leather. I know there's leather in this. It's got to, or I'm completely wrong. Well, I don't have anything in beard right now, so family, let's go. I'm going to put this Misfit Toys in. Bear with me. Take the old ring off. Oh, so good. One thing about Balm's products, they sure do soak into my beard. Oh, amazing. Okay, I'm starting to get a little bit of that sandalwood. With that oud. All right. Get this in here. See how it sheens up my beard at all. Look at that. Love it. Love it. I'm glad to come back to a time when I can try a product I haven't tried for a while. Nice. I'll let that soak in, and then I'll probably put some balm in here in just a little bit. Ooh. Coming alive, y'all. So, now that I've got that in, Beard, let's try some of this. What does he call this? I think he changed the name to it as well. Hybrid beard balm. Always was, though. Here, let me see if I can get that up there. Oh. Very nice. Let me tell you what's in this one. BTMS 25 is the first ingredient. Mango butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, apricot kernel oil, beeswax at the very end, and then fragrance oils. Amazing, amazing products. So, that's what I've got for you, family. I think I went over everything. Now it is time for, I promised, my Beard Justice video that I did, and I'll have that linked over at the end of this video as well. I did a giveaway, and there were 3 contestants that actually ordered the stuff and sent me and followed the directions like they were supposed to. And now it is time. I have got the 3 names right here. I'm not even going to try to say his name. That's the first one. Zan, X-A-N. I'm just going to call him Zan for right now. And then Jamalina 2005 and Eric 1833. So you can see I've got the random number up, or the name drawer, and I've already tried it once, but he ain't the winner. We're going to do it again. I was just testing it out. And now we're going to go, who is the winner? Eric, 1833. Congratulations, brother. I will get hold of you, get your address and everything, and then you're going to get a box of this swag I've got from Beard Justice. Anyways, family, that's what I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for hanging in. Thanks for chilling with your boy here. I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody that you're proud of them. Lift somebody up today and pray for this world, because there is a lot of chaos going on right now because of this coronavirus and people buying up everything and going into a panic disorder. That propaganda, I don't know who started it or what's really going on, but just love each other and focus on love, because love is the greatest thing, and that comes from the faith in our Father Jesus Christ. So that's what I got for you, family. I got my clicker here. See how many times it takes. Peace out.